you. In front of me I've got NOKIA T21. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet app. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you've got access to your passes, quick tips, all wallet tips, and also you can add payment card. If you go to Add to Wallet button, you can add again payment card, gift card, loyalty and transit pass. If you enter menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips again, tap to pay setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Next you can check full list of participating banks. And manage password manager. Then, in your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.